start with first lab, okay, introduction lab. So in this lab, we will be focusing on we will be starting with the data analysis. So for that, we will be focusing on one part that is one tool of the data analysis, that is weka. Okay, so let me University of Waikato. Okay, so let me okay, so this is the university from New Zealand, and these people have developed one data analysis tool. Okay, that is weka. Okay, so we will be working on that tool. Okay, that is weka. So just simply you have to go to the Google. Okay, type weka. Okay, and you will be directed to that weka machine data mining and machine learning tool. So we are supposed to download this tool, okay, and install it in your system. Okay, meanwhile, I have also uploaded that in my drive. Okay, I have uploaded, I have created one, you can say, drive, and in drive that, in that drive, I have uploaded that weka tool. So let me add you people to that drive. Okay, so you can download that tool from drive. Okay, write down your email address in chat box. Okay. I'm adding you, all of you, to that drive. Okay, you can download setup from there. English, Devansh, Raj, Smith, Pratik, Smriti, Tushar, Dipen, Aditya. Okay, I have added all of you to the drive folder. Okay, there, let me add, okay, Kunal as well. Kunal is trying. So you have to download weka exe, and one PDF file is there. Okay, so you have to download those both things into your system, install weka, okay, and let me know once you are done with the installation of weka. Okay, then we will move forward. If you are having any issue, Okay, then you can directly download exe from this website. Okay, if you click on download, then go to the stable version. Okay, window. Okay, click here to download. Okay, it will direct you to the source forge. Okay, and here download will start automatically once it is once you will be redirected to this point. Okay, so whatever way you want to download, you can. So at present, you just do one thing. You download this weka, okay, and install it in your system because this is the tool that we are going to use for performing experiment. Okay, let's wait for 5-10 minutes, okay, and then we will be starting. So let's wait for others to complete. And meanwhile, Vasu, you can refer to that PDF. In that PDF, if you will open that PDF, in that PDF, there will be a second part. Okay, so in second part, there is a, description regarding how to use the, you can say, weka. Okay, it is, okay, it is in Appendix B, weka workbench. What is weka? How to use it? Okay, so all those things we are going to do. Here, for that, I have uploaded one PDF in Drive itself. Okay, the folder which I shared with you. In that same folder, I have uploaded PDF. So in that PDF, there is Appendix B. Appendix B is focusing on how to use the weka. Okay, what is weka and how to use it. Clear, Raj? Okay. Once everybody is done with the installation, let me know. Okay, I'm giving you time for a few more minutes. All of you complete the installation part. Okay, just a minute. Yes, all of you done with this? Yes, how many of you are done with the installation? Please write down done in your chat box so I can see. Smriti, Raj, Smriti, Raj, Devansh. Okay, Tushar. Yes. What the rest of people are doing? Ishak done. Pathik done. Okay.
सर बस 1 मिनट डाउनलोड हो रहा है, हो गया, लगभग इंस्टॉल हो चुका है।
Okay, Girish. Girish also done. Okay. So only seven people have 10. Seven and one, eight. Still, what about the rest of the students? Aditya, Deepen. Okay. Yes, done. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so if you will install it and then you will open it, okay, then you will get a screen like this.
Your screen is not visible.
Yes, now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you will get this kind of GUI. Okay, uh, Waikato Environment for Knowledge Analysis, Weka University of Waikato. So we are going to use this tool. Now, here in this case, you have to click on Explore. Okay, so if you will click on Explorer, okay, then a new window will be opened. Okay, so let me show you that which window will be opened. Okay, it will open window like this. Yes, all of you are getting this window.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's see how to use this tool. Okay, all of you are getting this kind of screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start. Now, what we can do with this software, okay, or with this application. Now, here you can see, if you look at the top part, okay, then you will find pre-process, classify, cluster, associate, select attribute, visualize. Okay, so these are the various tasks that you can perform using Weka. Okay, now, uh, which kind of file we can open into the Weka? Okay, so for that, we will click on open file. We will click on open file. Okay, so it will show us that which different kind of file format we can manage. So if you will click on open file, okay, then here type of the files which are supported, okay, by this application will be displayed. Okay, like ARFF means attribute related file format. Okay, C4 file, then CSV, JSON, leave SVM data, MATLAB ASCII file, SVM like data file means .dat. Okay, XRFF, binary serialized instances. Okay, so these all are the different formats which are supported by the Weka. Okay, so right now we will click on this part only, ARFF, attribute related file format. So they have given some sample data set. Okay, so here you can find that sample data set. You go to C drive in program file. Okay, there you will find the folder for Weka 385. Okay, and in Weka 385 you will find the folder of data. Okay, all of you are with me at present.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We are.
Sir, can you repeat once more, sir? From C drive.
Uh, okay, let me repeat. C drive, program files. In program file, you will find folder for Weka 385. In that, you will find data. Okay, so here is the sample data set. Here is the sample data set. Okay. Now, let's select any popular data set. For example, credit, glass, hypothyroid, ionosphere, leber, uterus, con, taste, train, taste. There should be, yes, weather nominal data set. Okay, so if you select weather data set, okay, then you will get output like this. Okay, all of you are with me?
सर वेका में डेटा फाइल खोलनी है क्या?
Yes. Okay, again I am showing you open file. Just go to C drive, program file. Okay, there you will find weka 385 folder. In that you go to data and you select weather nominal. Okay, click on this and click on open. Okay, so that file will be loaded like this.
यस सर, यस सर.
Okay, so all of you are getting this screen?
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now let me show you that what is the meaning of this. Okay. Let's look at the various part. Okay, this is filter. Okay, this is used for applying, you can say, various filter on data. Okay, so that we will discuss later on that. What is the meaning of that filter and all those things. Now let's have a look at the current relation. Current relation means name of the file. Okay, so it is weather symbolic data. How many attributes are there? How many columns are there? 5 columns. How many instances are there? 14. Okay, sum of it. Right now, don't focus on sum of it. We will discuss it in future, wherever we will be discussing all these things. So sum of 8 is 14. Okay. Now here it will show us all the attributes. Okay. Which 5 attributes are there? Outlook, temperature, humidity, windy, and play. Okay. Now you can see in Outlook we are having 3 values. Okay. In Outlook we are having 3 values. Whether Outlook means outer environment is sunny, it is overcast means cloudy kind of thing, or it is rainy. Okay, so here out of 14 row, 5 rows are having sunny outcast. Okay, sunny outlook. Sorry. Okay, 4 rows are having uh, outcast outlook. 5 rows are having rainy outlook. Okay, so if you look at this detail, okay, then it will show us that Outlook we are having 3 value, and this 3 value is distributed in this way: 5, 4, and 5. Okay, now another part is temperature. Okay, so in temperature you can see we are having 3 temperature: hot, mild, and cold. Okay, humidity, high and normal. Okay, windy, true or false. Play, whether play is possible or not. Okay, so let's try to understand this outlook. Here, we are, whatever you people are visualizing right now at present. Okay, it is the graph of outlook versus play. It is graph of outlook versus play. Okay, so if you will keep cursor on any of this graph, okay, then it will show you that this graph is for, let's say, this graph is for sunny. Okay, this is for overcast, and this is for rainy. Okay, so 5, 4, and 5. Inside that, this red represent play is possible, blue represent play is not possible. Let's try to view it. Okay. Open the file. Okay. Click on edit. Okay. So if you will click on edit, it will show you viewer. Okay. If you will click on edit, okay, for viewer, they are giving separate windows. So let me show you. If you will click on edit, okay, it will show you data viewer like this. Okay, are you getting all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this data viewer will give you idea that which kind of data is that. Okay, so here you look at this first column, first cell. Okay, name of this column is Outlook. Okay, and what is the type of the attribute? Type of the attribute is nominal. Nominal means it is not numeric. It is categorical. Nominal means categorical. Okay, it is not numerical. So nominal, temperature is also nominal, humidity is also nominal, windy is nominal, and play is also nominal. Okay, now so there, wherever we have seen that graph, okay, in that graph, okay, if we look at the overcast outlook graph, okay, you just look into your graph, overcast outlook, okay, where so here if we will try to sort using overcast, okay, then here you can see yes, okay, so from this what we can say here, whatever label red is there, it representing play not possible, play not possible, and blue represent the play possible. Okay, it was one mistake. So red represent play not possible, and blue represent the play possible. Okay, so let me stop sharing so we can discuss. Actually, I can show you. Yes. So at present, we are looking at the outlook attribute. It is having three values: sunny, overcast, and daily. So this is sunny, this is overcast, this is rainy, and this graph is again, okay. So at present, this is the graph of outlook versus play. Outlook versus play. Okay, so here in sunny, you can see the red means this three play is possible and two row not. Okay, in whether when outlook is overcast, then play is possible. Okay, and when outlook is rainy, okay, in that case you can see in three rows or in 66 percentage. Play is possible and in 33 percentage play is not possible. Let's have a look at the temperature. Okay, so in temperature also we are having hot, mild, and cold, three values. Okay, so here whenever temperature is hot, okay, it is 50-50. Okay, when temperature is mild, okay, you can see it is 80-20. 80 percentage play is possible, 20 percentage play is not possible. Okay, and when weather is cool, okay, it is 19-10. Okay, so 90 percentage possible, 10 percentage not possible, or you can say 80-20. Okay, 80 percentage is possible, 20 percentage is not possible. So this is kind of visualization. Humidity. Okay, so humidity high and low. Okay, so this first graph is for humidity high. Okay, so whenever humidity is high, here you can see it is approximately 60-40 or 70-30. Okay, so 30 percentage play is possible. Okay, 60 percentage or 70 percentage play is not possible. And when humidity is normal, in that case you can see up to 90 percentage play is possible. Okay, or match has taken place. okay, match was played, okay, and in 10% match was not played. In case of windy, okay, so true and false. So in true it is 50-50, okay, but if it is not false, then you can see in 80% cases match was played, and in 20% it was not played. And last is play. Okay, so play versus play. Okay, so 9 time play was possible. Okay, and 5 time it was not possible. If you will select Outlook here, okay, and if you will select any other class, like let's say temperature. Okay, so this is the outlook, sunny, and this is the temperature, low, medium, and high. Okay, so if you look at then hot, mild, and cool. Okay, so if we look at the graph of outlook versus temperature, then here you can see low, then medium, okay, and then high, low, medium, high, low, high, likewise. Okay, so actually this will give, and if you will click on visualize all, then it will show you all the visualization of all the attribute with respect to Outlook. Okay, so let's say, okay, so this is the Outlook versus Outlook, Outlook versus temperature, Outlook versus humidity, Outlook versus windy, Outlook versus flood. Okay, so this is just visualization of that part. Okay. Similarly, let's say if you select temperature, okay, and if you will click on visualize all, okay, then Outlook, temperature, humidity means temperature versus Outlook, temperature versus temperature, temperature versus humidity, temperature versus windy, temperature versus play. Okay, so why we should go with this? Okay, because this will give you some idea about interrelation of attribute. Okay, whether attributes are interrelated or not. Okay, if you will go to the visualize part, okay, this is play versus outlook, play versus temperature, play versus humidity, play versus windy. Okay, then let's try to load some other data set. So open file, let me load the satellite is the not supermarket. Okay, here you can see this is a supermarket data set. Let's try to visualize it if we can see it. Okay, but in case of this visualization, we are not getting, we are getting, if you will double click on that graph, okay, then it will show you it will show you the interrelation between those attributes. Okay, let me select some good file which I can show you. Soybean is there. Okay, soybean is also having, so yes, now you can see. So this is showing us different pattern, various pattern. Okay, and let's say I want to see the relation between class and date. So if you will double click on it, it will open a file. Okay, and in that file it will show the pattern interrelation between those things. Okay, so if you will find any data set where attributes are related, okay, for example contact lens, okay, so if we will try to visualize it, okay, then also we are getting same graph. Okay, we need some data set where yes, we can get some non-linear relationship between the data items. So yeah, here it is. So here, let's say this is one attribute MW and there it is WBG. Okay, so if you look at this, double click on this, then you will find the distribution. So at last step, you will find the visualize kind of visualize tab, okay, and which will allow you to see the interrelation between the different attribute. Okay, for example, here you can see this is the relationship between WBN LPH 1.0. Okay, and here this is another column. Okay, so if you will click on this, then they will show you. So visualize will show you the data distribution and the relationship between the data. Okay, can anyone tell me a linear mm, relationship between data items? Yes, this is the, you can say, a good linear relationship between data. Okay, here you can see. Uh, let me see whether it is visible to you or not. So if I show you that part of the, here you can see. So X and Y attribute they have given. Okay, on X we are having WBN and here WBNEH 1.0. Okay, so here if you look at the relationship between these two, okay, means X axis and Y axis, then you can see it is almost mapped linearly. Linearly means if the value of X will increase, okay, then value of Y will also increase. So this will give you the data. Okay, jitter means some random noise. Okay, so if you will add some noise, then also you can see relationship remains almost linear. Okay, so what is the purpose of this tool? Okay, the purpose of this tool is to visualize the data in such a way that it can be useful to you in performing some data analysis before actually starting with the machine learning related task. Okay, all of you are clear with this? Whatever we have just tried to do today?
So I have one question. Uh,
Yes, Miti.
can we change the representation of the that thing, like if you want to have some pie chart or something like that in this application?
So at present they have given only scatter plot. Okay, this is known as scatter plot.
Yes,
This
sir.
is known as scatter plot. They have
Yes,
given
sir.
the yes, they have given only scatter plot, not other attribute they have given. Okay, so means not other graph they have given.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we can represent the data in form of scatter plot only at present.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay, we will be discussing more in future
Okay.
that which different kind of data visualization tool we can use.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So are we going
anybody
to
else?
code something and are we going to code something and then visualize, or we are going to visualize only those things that they have provided us?
At present, in introductory level, we are going to only code. We are going to use whatever they have provided. Okay. Later on, we will be working on Python library that is Keras. Okay. So we will be using Keras, and using Keras, we will try to train it, test it, and then we will try to visualize it. Matplotlib.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt? Anybody?
No, sir.